guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and testing the new e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, the mini one, and this is in the shade Rose Water. We're gonna do a fun spring look with this new mini eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. and also the Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. It's the new one, so I'm trying the shade Fair 110, so we'll see how this goes today. And also I have a cool package that just arrived today from Beautylish that I would like to share with you. I will be unboxing it later in the video. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell beside it if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. And let's just get started. So I'm using the COVERGIRL Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation. This is a new one as well. I've already done my face. And I'm going to be opening this little Age Rewind Eraser Concealer by Maybelline. So let's see. Oh, they have this. Cut this little thing around the top. Okay, and let's try it. This one's you have to give it a little click until the product comes through. It's still going. You see? It's coming through. Okay, so we're gonna use this one underneath the eye here. And on top of the eyelids to prep them for the eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. Blend it all in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender or sponge, Real Techniques sponge. Okay, it's pretty good. I had a darker shade, which it said light. No, what did it say? This is shade Fair. The other one was light. It was a bit too dark for my skin tone. Blend it very nice. It's not dry. It's not creasing. Okay, let's go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder so we can set the concealer on the eyelid. Okay. This will make the eyeshadow last longer. It's gonna be a nice, fun spring look. Very easy. Okay. Now we're gonna go in. Let's open the e.l.f. mini palette. Look at this. Let me swatch this for you. This is the first shade. Very sparkly. Second, this is the matte shade. It's probably the transition color. A bit harder to see. Another sparkly color. And this is the dark color in here. The last one. It has some sparkles in it. That's the shades. So, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Okay, it's like a light purple, and we're gonna apply it just above the crease underneath the brow bone. And other eye. It blends quite good. Okay, now we're gonna go into this purple shade right here, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Let's see. purpley. Very subtle purple shades. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom part in the same color. We're gonna do it underneath the eye a bit. Now we are gonna go into this dark one right here. I'm gonna use it in the outer corner here. Oh, it's pretty pigmented. Okay, let's blend this together. I guess it's a spring look slash smoky eye because this dark color is quite dark. We'll make it work. We're gonna go back into this shade here, right here, and we can combine this two and go in the crease again. Okay, let's get rid of there's only a little bit of fallout, mostly from the dark one. Okay, now we are going to apply mascara. I'll be using my favorite, the COLLAB Brown Black. Okay. Simple spring look slash smoky. Spring smoky look. Okay, there you go. Now I will be using the Wonder Beauty Trip 42 blush and bronzer duo. Looks like this. The blush is in the shade Bellini and the bronzer in Costa Rei. Okay, another brush. Let's do some very quick bronzing here. And now we're gonna go into the blush from the same palette. Ooh. Quite a bit. Okay, let's blend it all in. Okay, now we're going to go into the Too Faced highlighter. It's in the shade Fancy Pink Diamond. Looks like this. let me grab my Real Techniques brush for highlighting. I'm gonna dip in here and highlight. Highlight, and now we're going to highlight the inner of our eye. So we're going to go back to this eyeshadow palette and we're going to use this one. I'm going to be using my finger. I guess I should have done this before my mascara, but it's okay. It still works. See how nice and sparkly it is? This is my favorite shade from the palette because you can just do one look with just this one shade. Just gonna blend this a bit more. Okay. Finish highlighting the cheekbone. A little bit on the nose. And on top of the lip. Okay. Blend everything together. Now we're gonna go into this is the MAC 239S brush. Okay, and we're gonna go into the same eyeshadow palette that we just used in the inner corner, and we're gonna dip it, and we're gonna just highlight this really inner corner of the eye. Okay, and of course underneath the brow bone. There you go. Very simple, very quick, fast. Now this makeup setting spray, Pure and Natural by ARTNATURAL's Beauty. Give it a quick shake. And okay. Ooh, refreshing. Sure it dries up. Use the beauty blender to dip it in so that it lasts longer. Okay, and now for the final thoughts on this palette. What can I say? Okay, this shade right here, the sparkly one, is my favorite. This one is pretty light. You can barely see the transition shade. Now between these two, they're beautiful colors, but because the dark one has also sparkles in it, it's harder to work with it, and it has a little bit of fallout, which is not a big deal, but I would have preferred if this was a pure matte color, and I guess this is okay as well. So it's an okay palette. Again, my favorite shade is the sparkly one. You can just do one look with this all over the eyelid and you're good to go. Some mascara, lipstick, and that's it. Okay, now for my final surprise here, which just arrived today from Beautylish. Let's see what we have here. I have two things in here. Something, open it up. Okay. Of course, I ordered the Jeffree Star makeup bag. I am so excited for this one. Look at this. It's so cute. Look, it has beautiful gold stars for the zipper. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the front right here. Okay, and let's see inside. Let's take this out. So it looks like this inside. It has a zipper right here, gold, very beautiful. You can see through. It's a mesh zipper. And here, look, another small pocket and another small pocket here, which is good for brushes. And the inside, it's pretty big. Gonna fit all my makeup. Okay, and I've also ordered, well, this came, oh, this is a small Beautylish gift, and it says a niacinamide brightening toner. It's like this, very tiny, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores, promote a bright, even skin tone, and reduce the look of pores with this antioxidant-rich, alcohol-free toner. Very cute. Thank you, Beautylish. And my final product, I've ordered this from Jeffree Star. It's the gloss, and it's the Lord Star color. Let's try it on. Put this for the lips. Let's see how it looks. Look at this. I am so excited. Look, it matches my nails and my shirt. It's the gloss. Now let's see. I love the top of the lip gloss. Let me show you how it looks on the... Look at that. So beautiful. And it smells nice. So let's put some on the lips. And we're gonna be using our Jeffree Star mirror. Oh. This is such a gorgeous gloss. Look at this. It's not sticky. It doesn't feel thick on the lips. Let's add some more. Never have too much gloss. Look at that. There you go. So this is the final spring look. And hope you really enjoyed my video and you like this look. Let me know what you think of the e.l.f. mini palette down below in the comments below. And also what you guys think of the Jeffree Star the gloss lip gloss. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.